how to create TikTok account. So if you want to create a TikTok account, then first you just need to tap on your TikTok application and launch the TikTok or open up your TikTok application. And make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you open up your TikTok, now go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. And here you need to simply go for sign up, which is on the bottom right again. And now you need to enter the phone number, or you can also continue with your email, Facebook, or Google. So I'll be choosing email, or you can also go with your Google, which is the easiest way to create a TikTok account. So tap on continue with Google and then choose a Google account through which you would like to create your account. So if you've choose the email address option, then you just need to enter your email address and then tap on continue. And once you enter your email here, it will ask you to create a password. So make sure to create a strong password. And once you've created, tap on next. And then you need to enter your birthday. So simply scroll down and choose your birthday and tap on next. And here you just need to simply verify, and after verifying, your account will be created. So that's how you can create your TikTok account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.